Good morning, children. Today we are learning the textual bits of lesson number 3. Then today we are learning about demonstrative pronoun. So B bit we are learning of lesson number 3, that is circle the correct demonstrative pronoun. Here demonstrative pronouns are the words like this, that, these, those. These words mostly comes under demonstrative pronoun. So let us write or complete this bit. First one, dash is our principal over there. That is our principal over there. There you are saying it means he is far from you. So we use the word that. Second one, dash is my cap and dash is your cap over there on the shelf. This is my cap means this is near my cap, and that is your cap over there on the shelf. Third one, dash are my friends standing there in the park. Those are my friends standing there in the park. Fourth one, are dash your clothes here. Are these your clothes here? Here means these. There means those. Fifth one, dash is Matt's house over there. That is Matt's house over there. Sixth one, whose shoes are. Shoes, if you are saying, it should be plural. So you should write whose shoes are these. The next bit is of prefixes. Prefix is nothing but the word which we add in front of the root word to make it an opposite word. So here use un, im and in to form the opposites of these words. First one. So we need to use this un, im and in to make the words to form their opposites. First one, even. It becomes uneven. We are adding un there. Second one, complete. Incomplete. Third one, possible. Impossible. Fourth one, comfortable. Uncomfortable. Fifth one, visible. Invisible. Sixth one, perfect. Imperfect. So these are some of the opposite words. Now these opposite words we should use in the sentences. Now let us complete these sentences. Complete these sentences with the opposites of the words in the box. The words are polite, complete, possible, tidy, visible, comfortable. So complete the first one, that is, she could not finish her answers on time. Her exam paper remained incomplete. Second one, Rehan's mother has asked him to clean his room. It was very untidy. Third one, this bed is too soft. It is very uncomfortable to sit on. Fourth one. On drinking the magic potion, the man started fading away. He was becoming invisible. Fifth one. It is dash to leave the table before everybody has finished the meal. It is impolite to leave the table before everybody has finished the meal. Sixth one. Humans are yet to travel to the sun. Such a journey seems impossible. Hope that everyone understood today's class. We shall meet in the next class. Thank you.